Hello and welcome to Tishonator.com. In this video, we're gonna talk about the latest feature we have implemented in our Alphana theme, AI Chatbot for WooCommerce, which provide customer support about client queries about their purchases. Let's see it in action, what I'm gonna talk about. Let me open a demo. This one is a store demo of Alphana theme. Here is the chatbot in bottom right corner. When user click on it, write a message like hello. It gives information what it can help with. I can ask are there any orders by me? Email. And it gives information about my orders. Let's see this one. Can you please provide more info about order 436? And it gives enough information what every customer would need. Order date, payment status, it has pending payment. To complete your order, open this link. Please complete your payment to process the order and information the products included in this order. It would help your customers, the client queries they might have about their purchases from your store, how it works, how it can be configured. The plugin, the AI chatbot is built within the theme. You don't need to activate a plugin or anything else. All you need to do once you have installed and activate the theme is to go to platform.openai.com, then open your account details. If you don't have such account, you need to register. Then go to API keys, generate such API key if you don't have such already, else you need to copy this value, full value. This one is just short display of the key. You need the full key, which is a long string. You need to have this value to use it. Also, you can check your usage page about how many tokens you have used, how many requests, and so on. The money spent on OpenAI, it's not related to the theme itself. It's between you and OpenAI. And once you have the API key, you need to go back to the theme. The theme must be activated. Then go to left menu, appearance, customize. Scroll down to AI chatbot section. Here is the API key. You need to paste it here. And here are additional settings about the chatbot. You can change the primary color, let's see, to yellow. If I click on it, it's now in yellow. It depends on your preferred or used colors in your site. There are other settings like secondary color. Here it is. And I think that's pretty much how the AI chatbot works. Just to remind that it's built within the theme. It's not it doesn't require any additional purchase of plugin and so on. Probably we'll implement it in other of our themes, but for now it's available only within Alphana theme. And I think that's it. I hope you like the theme, the new functionality, new feature. Let us know if you need some other feature to be added. We'll implement it. Thank you for watching. Cheers and bye.